Foshan Orginal Tissue Machinery has been specializing for over 20 years in the design and manufacture of converting machinery for the tissue industries. We provide complete tissue converting project service from engineering consultation to the supply of machinery, as well as all necessary support in the industry. It is more than machines. It starts with superior equipment, continues with the most extensive production assistance. We work seriously in Foshan City and keep moving forward step by step. Our people take the time to know you and your systems and are always ready to assist with production issues. We work hand in hand for all the resources you need and whatever is necessary to help you. Our machinery range includes raw products rewinding machines, facial tissue folding machines, lamination series, high-speed napkin machines, fully automatic pocket tissue machines, fold paper towel machines, packing machines, and other related machines. With simple and accessible machine design, it helps customers to achieve higher capacity, lower cost, and leaner operations. The machinery receives its fine reputation in domestic and global market. Thanks to rich experience, strong knowledge of tissue market and tissue converting, we have continuous improvement on the equipment performance. Strict quality managing system has been pushing roundly from parts production to machine installation. Heavy investment has been made to boost parts processing quality. Foshan Orginal Tissue Machinery is based in Foshan City, the China technology heart of tissue paper industry. The benefit from high-quality local sourcing chains is also assisting us to achieve our innovation and development strategies. We don't overcommit, but we will deliver extra more. The confidence you place in us is the greatest power to keep us moving forward. We are fully committed to bring tissue product renewal and create new benefits to your existing products.